What's up, freelancers or aspiring freelancers? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you why I ditched Payoneer after 9 years for this app for all my freelancing payments. Let's get started. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Temi, and on this channel I make videos on personal finance, entrepreneurship and freelancing. So are you looking to make money online and build your online career? Then you want to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video. So back to today's video. The purpose of this video is to help you understand that there are multiple ways you can receive your freelancing payment into your bank account without any hassle. So if you have been struggling with receiving your freelancing payment or international payment, then you want to stick around to the end of this video. I started making money online in 2014. At this time, the only option available to Nigerians is Payoneer. Payoneer has been helpful over the years as I have used them to receive all my freelancing payments, whether big or small. Payoneer offers a range of options like withdrawal from freelancing platforms, Payoneer to Payoneer transfer, that is sending payments to other Payoneer users with the aim of getting the best exchange rate. You can also withdraw from Payoneer to your domiciliary account and receive your money in the currency you withdrew, whether in US dollars, euros or pounds. Other options include direct payment, which is getting paid from your clients, and not only that, you can also withdraw from the ATM. You can request payment from a Payoneer user and even a non-Payoneer user. This opportunity brought so much relief considering PayPal's continuous ban on Nigerians. With Payoneer, Nigerian freelancers could receive their hard-earned money without any delays. While I was privileged to enjoy this opportunity, my most preferred option is the Payoneer to Payoneer transfer, which I enjoyed over the years. This feature was my go-to option because at that time there were multiple exchange rates in Nigeria, and everyone, including myself, wanted the best exchange rate, which was only possible when you sell to other Payoneer users at black market rate, or when you withdraw to your domiciliary account and sell at black market rate. To me, the Payoneer to Payoneer transfer was a better option because it is faster, though risky, but can be coordinated by seeking people's testimonials and recommendation. What I did then was to find a tested, trusted and a reliable buyer and stick to them. This enabled me to transfer and then receive the best rates to my bank. So after many years of practicing this approach, I decided to try another platform, which turned out to first be better. The name of the platform is Geegpay. First, let me say this is not a promotional video and I do not have any affiliation with Geegpay. This is just my honest review. So before ditching Payoneer for Geegpay, some changes happened on Payoneer which made me decide to leave and try this app out. And one of them is when you are restricted from certain features without significant reasons or prior notice. Another one is rejecting direct payment when you have successfully completed a job. Now let's see how beneficial Geegpay is compared to Payoneer. Well, Payoneer has been around for a while and it is safe to say they are highly trusted and reliable when it comes to receiving payment from many online marketplaces. On the other hand, Geegpay is a startup company with a similar goal, which is to help online entrepreneurs receive payment without any hassle. When I first heard about them, I was skeptical about it because I thought I already have a platform that works, so why should I use them? So after many testimonials and reviews, I decided to give it a shot. So my first withdrawal happened in September of 2023 when Payoneer restricted me from using my normal Payoneer to Payoneer transfer. My payment from Upwork was stuck in Payoneer, so I decided to send it to Geegpay. The payment took a while but eventually arrived my Geegpay account after 8 hours. Upon receiving the notification, I instantly converted it from US dollar to Naira and sent the equivalent to my bank account. This process took only 1 minute, and since then Geegpay has been my go-to option for all my freelancing payments. Now, to avoid unnecessary charges of sending from Upwork to Payoneer to Geegpay, I decided to link my Geegpay account directly to my Upwork account, and now I can withdraw directly from my Geegpay to my local bank account. This is one of the coolest things I've seen all through my freelancing journey. As you can see, from September, since I started using their services, I've used them every month and it's been a seamless experience. These are all my withdrawals from September 2023 to date. My last payment was last month in July. So I hope you learned something today. So if you have been wondering if you can withdraw your freelancing payments to your local bank account, now you know it's possible and the rates are a lot better. Additionally, The process is easy and straightforward. If you've not registered, do so and give it a try, though there might be glitches sometimes, which is normal even with Payoneer and a bunch of other payment options. So if you have heard of Geegpay and you haven't tried it out, let me know in the comments. If you have tried it and enjoying it, please also share your thoughts. So don't forget to like this video so YouTube can recommend to other freelancers. Please also subscribe if you are yet to do so, and stay tuned for more videos. I have a whole lot to share with you guys and you can't afford to miss them. So till next time, peace.